Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss the renewable resources or inexhaustible resources. Before this, let us recapitulate what we studied in our previous class. Resources, things which we use in our daily life. These resources are provided to us by nature, or some of them are man-made resources. Natural resources means air, water, forest, soil, mineral and wildlife. These resources has been gifted to us by the nature. प्रकृति से हमें जो चीज़ें मिली हैं उन्हें हम नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस कहते हैं. We depend on these resources for our daily needs. Some of them are roads, buildings, vehicles, table, fan, notebook, pencil, etc. They are not natural because they are made by the human beings. इन्हें मनुष्य ने, इंसानों ने बनाया है by using the natural resources. This means man-made things जो भी हैं वो भी nature पे depend करती हैं. For example, आप notebook यूज़ करते हैं. It is made up of wood pulp. So, the table which you are using or the chair which you are using, it is made out of wood. So, the man-made things also depend on nature. Natural resources are of two types: renewable, non-renewable. Renewable resources are also called inexhaustible resources, and non-renewable resources are called exhaustible resources. Renewable resources, why they are called renewable? Because they renew. कुछ टाइम बाद ये फिर से रिन्यू हो जाते हैं. ये एग्जॉस्ट नहीं होते हैं, completely फिनिश नहीं होते हैं by the continuous use. But on the other hand, non-renewable resources or exhaustible resources, they get exhaust by the continuous use by human beings. Renewable resources are like water, air, sunlight. ये ख़त्म नहीं होंगे अगर आप इन्हें यूज़ करते हैं. बट अगर हम बात करें पेट्रोल, डीजल, कोल, प्रीशियस स्टोन्स की, तो दे आर प्रेजेंट ऑन आर अर्थ इन अ वेरी लिमिटेड अमाउंट. बहुत कम अमाउंट में ये अर्थ पर हैं. अगर आप इन्हें कंटिन्यूसली यूज़ करेंगे, by the continuous use by human being, they will exhaust after a certain period of time. So there is a need to conserve, इनको सेव करना for our future generation also. आप अभी तो कार से चल रहे हैं, बट आपकी आने वाली जनरेशन, if you are going to use your vehicles without thinking, आप जिधर मन होता है, जब भी होता है जाते हैं, तो धीमे धीमे ये फ्यूल जो है ये ख़त्म हो जाएगा. एंड द फ्यूचर जनरेशन, जो हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ियाँ हैं, दे विल नॉट गेट दीज रिसोर्सेज. सो देयर इज़ अ नीड टू कंजर्व. इन्हें बचाने की ज़रूरत है. Renewable resources, I hope it is clear to you. What are renewable resources? Water, sunlight, soil, plants, animals, air. Let us discuss the importance of these renewable resources in our day-to-day life. First is water. We all need water. We all means animals, plants, human being. We need water for a lot of activities. Let us see what we need water for. Taking a bath, watering plants, because photosynthesis is not possible without water. Cleaning our home. Health and hygiene is very important. You can't clean your house without water. So, mama use water for mopping, for sweeping the floor. Oh, for cooking food, for washing clothes, to drink. We can't survive without drinking water. आप खेलते हैं, आप थर्स्टी होते हैं, आपको प्यास लगती है. सो खाने से भी ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट क्या है? वाटर. बिकॉज आवर बॉडी 90% it is water. So water is very important in our life. Animals need water to drink and to clean themselves. Now the second is sunlight. What are the importance of sunlight in our life? It is used to generate electricity. It is the only natural source of light on earth. Solar panels, they are very popular nowadays. So what they use? They use the sunlight, they use sun rays, energy from the sun, and they convert it into electricity. Plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. Other living things depend on plant for food. Human beings as well as animals, we both depend on plant. Plant is the only living thing which prepare their food by their own. The process of photosynthesis again is not possible without sunlight. Sunlight disinfects our houses and protects us from diseases. You have studied this thing in your previous chapter also, types of houses, where the importance or the characteristic of a good house was ventilation, then proper sunlight should be there. It disinfects, हमारे घर को इंसेक्ट से फ्री रखता है. It keeps us warm during the winters. So there are various importance of these natural resources. We will discuss about the other resources in our next class. Thank you everyone.